Please understand, my childhood was full of spiritual experiences, amazing spiritual masters, great yogis like Raghupati Yogi, Vibhudananda Puri, the personalities of their stature, Ram Surat Kumar, Annamalai Swamigal, Sadhu Om, I can list great spiritual personalities. And I was exposed to all the spiritual thought currents and traditions like Vedanta, Saiva Siddhanta, Shaivism, even the thought currents of Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya Vaiseshika, Purvamimamsa, Uttaramimamsa, various yogic sampradayas. But I tell you, I found most